Hello guys, and welcome back to this video. So in today's video tutorial, let's talk about Bitget spot copy trading. Yes, you heard that right, spot copy trading. And just to wow you guys, all right, look at this. Okay, this is result for the past 30 days, as you can see right here. Okay, this elite trader has actually made more than 44,000% in the past 30 days. This is all on spot trading, and these are real traders, guys. These are not just bots, because these guys have their social handles here where you can actually follow and verify that these are real traders. Okay, you can see this person, the X, and then maybe their Bitcoin wallet to equally attached. All right, you can see this person, you can follow. Okay, some of them actually use these social links to put in their own if you want to tip them, right? But these are real traders trading on the Bitget exchange, and this is all spot copy trading. If I go over here where it says copy, okay, you can see here on the copy option that there is futures trading, and then there is spot trading, there is bot copy trading, there is spot copy trading, there is futures copy trading. But the one we are emphasizing on today is the spot copy trading option. Okay, so this trader for the past 30 days has made over 44,000. This particular trader for the past 30 days has made over 36,000. Okay, 36,000% actually. All right, and then the ROI for this one is 24,000%, 20,000%, and it goes on that way. All right, if I come in here, the category here is that these are the people with the highest ROI. Then you can see high yield. All right, this person 8%, 30 days, okay, 79% for the past 30 days, 60%, okay, and it goes on that way. All right, highest copiers PNL, you can see 13,000%, 1,000%, okay, 16,000%, and it goes on that way, guys. If you really want somebody to do the hard work for you, okay, then Bitget spot copy trading is your best bet. All right, that is the best place you want to be. And in this video, I want to walk you through this and how to copy traders on the Bitget spot copy trading option. Now I'm going to be using the web version to show you how to do this. Okay, you can equally do this on your phone if you want to, using the Bitget Exchange mobile app. All right, so the link to sign up for a Bitget account will be in the video description. Make sure that you create an account using that link, make a deposit, and start trying out traders. Guys, the best time to copy traders, most especially as regards spot trading, is now. Okay, you will always see this percentage coming up like this because we're in the bull run, so don't miss out on this. All right, so the first thing you want to do to start copying traders on a Bitget exchange, number one, is to sign up for a Bitget account. You can use the link in the video description, okay, or check out my bio to sign up for a Bitget account. Number two, all right, is to fund your account. You can equally use the Bitget P2P marketplace, right? You can come to buy crypto, and then you go to the P2P option. You just fund your account with P2P, and then you will not be able to start copying trade. So to copy a trader, you just come to the copy trade option, okay, and then you click on spot copy trading, and you can select any of these traders here and start copying. Let me go with this person with the highest percentage so far, so I can just go ahead and click on the copy option. Okay, and then the early trader has reached the followers cap. Yes, so I can no longer copy this person, but you can keep trying. Okay, you can keep trying. If you want to see more details about this particular trader, you just click, don't click on the copy option, just click here. Okay, and that will open up the traders page. All right, here you can see all of the statistics, right? You can check out, if you want to check for the last 3 weeks and all of that, you can check those statistics. Okay, this person already have 500 persons copying him. Okay, 500 over 500. All right, and you can come in here to see the details for the last 7 days too. You see the details right here. If I scroll down here, you will see that this trader trades only Ethereum. Okay, this trader trades only Ethereum. Now that Ethereum has not even started moving, is equally a good opportunity to start copying, so that when Ethereum start pumping, this trader will be making a whole lot of profit for you. Okay, so there are other tokens right here, but the trader trades mostly Ethereum pairs. Okay, it trades mostly Ethereum pairs, so we cannot copy this trader because the trading room is filled up. So we can go back and look for another trader that we want to copy, but you can actually keep trying every now and then. All right, because definitely one person will leave this room, and then you'll be the next person to copy. Okay, this person, all right, this one is filled up too. This one, can we copy? Let's click on the copy option. Let's see. Yeah, we can go ahead and agree. Okay, yes, just agree to the agreement. Okay, and then click on copy, And right here we can equally see the statistics. This person trades Ethereum, EOS, okay, BTC, and then 𝗘𝗅𝗃. These are the tokens that this person trade the most. So right here we are going to put the amount. Okay, you can start from as little as $10, okay, to as high as $3,000. All right, to start copying this particular trader. You can use fixed amount, you can use the multiplier. So multiplier, whatever you put there, means whatever the trader does. If the trader is entering a trade with $100, it is 100 that will, you know, be taken from your account. If the trader now add more positions, okay, as the trader is adding, let's say the trader is adding 1%, that will be doubling on your own end. But I always encourage that you use the fixed amount, okay. So use the fixed amount, you go ahead and type in the amount right here, okay. But before you type that, you need to have some money available. As you can see, my spot balance is 0. I'll definitely make another video where I'll make deposit and then start copying a trader, and you see how it works. All right, then the risk management option, if you want to put stop losses and all of that, these ones I leave them to the trader. I don't really tamper with it. This is spot trading, right? So you can edit here and set your own stop loss ratio, your TP ratio, and then your maximum copy, okay? Maximum will be $50,000. If you want it to be more, you can go ahead and do that, all right? Then for the auto copy, you can go ahead and enable this on, all right? I always do this. Allow this to be on. Then you can go ahead and click on next, and once you click on next, this dialog box pops up, okay, and then you can go ahead and verify. These are for all the tokens that this person trades, okay, but the ones the person trades the most are these ones you see right here, okay. So if you go through it, if you are okay with it, then you can go ahead and click on confirm, and voila, you're already copying that particular trader. So whenever this trader takes a trade, okay, that trade will automatically be taken on your own end, and when the trader closes the trade, it will automatically reflect on your own end as well. Now, another thing you can do, since I know that this particular trader trades only Ethereum, EOS, okay, BTC, and 𝗘𝗅𝗃, I can come in here to where it says these are the pairs, okay, these are all the pairs. 296 over 296, those are the ones selected. I can go here and edit these pairs, all right? So I will just deselect everything right here, okay, and then I will only look for these pairs that this particular trader trades a lot. So deselect this one as well, okay. I need to select one before I can deselect that. So look for Ethereum pair, okay. So you can just scroll down here and look for all those pairs that the trader trade. Then you go ahead and select those pairs, and anyone you don't want, you can deselect it, all right. Once you select these pairs, then you can go ahead and click on confirm. So what it means now is that even if the trader changes and start trading any other pair that is not here, that particular pair will not be copied on your account, okay. You can do this with all traders. If you want to copy every pair that they trade, you go ahead and allow, okay, just click on edit right here, select all, and then all the pairs will be copied, all right, whenever the trader is trading. But if you want to copy specific pair like Ethereum alone or BTC trade alone, you can equally go ahead and select that, and after that you just click on next. The dialog box pops up, and then you go ahead and click on confirm, and your copy trading will be confirmed, and each time that trader takes a trade, automatically it reflects on your account, okay. So that's basically is as simple as that. The next video I will make is how to do this using the Bitget exchange mobile app, all right. So make sure, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And one thing you want to do for me, if you want me to make a video on the mobile app, then use the comment section and let me know, okay, so that I will do that as soon as possible. Then one thing you can do again, guys, is to smash that like button, right? Smash the like button. And by the way, guys, if you want to take advantage of all of our free signals, all the crypto education that we provide, the link to join us on Telegram will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that, okay. Go and try out Bitget copy trading, guys. Put some money there and come back to share the result with me after you might have tried this, okay. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.